Alright guys, I'm on my last piece. Check that bad boy out. Think I'll be able to get all that off? I guess we'll see.
Okay.
Here we go. I'm gonna start it off. Look at that. Looks like it's coming out pretty good so far. Here we go. We'll keep on going.
Keep going.
Just a lot of time and patience and elbow grease. Look at that. It's coming off. Better than spending hundreds of dollars on a new one.
All right. Well, there she is. All finished up. Look at that. So they're not perfect. You can still see little marks. They were really bad. We didn't know if we were gonna have to just buy new ones or what. But these are doable. I can work with that. So she did an awesome job. Good job, honey.
Thank you.
All right, so this next part of the project, my wife is gonna start, because she's an expert, start getting rid of this rust. Let's see how this turns out. She's usually pretty successful, so let's see what happens.
That's what it's starting to look like.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Alright.
Keep going.
We'll keep working on it. For sure. Here we go.
Don't give up yet.
Oh no, I'm just getting started. I enjoy it. Gotta be careful not to push too hard so you don't get into the paint. Just enough to get the rust off. Which is exactly what I'm doing.
So she's at the halfway mark, and look at this. That's what the other side was like. That looks great. A lot cleaner. Good job, love. All right, guys. And you can see, still has the pits. Most likely we're gonna end up repainting that bumper, but we had to get the rust off. Want to see how it looks without it. And it definitely looks a lot cleaner. Very nice. Yeah, those little SOS pads that we use do a great job cleaning up that chrome, that old rusty chrome. And this bumper, I mean, you guys saw the before and after. That's really good. Nice. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. you got to check this out. We're making some good progress already. My wife did a really good job cleaning up that chrome as best as she could. And usually we have some pretty good success. We've experimented with this quite a few times now. And so I just want to take you in and show you how well it turned out. You don't always have to go buy new chrome stuff. Unless you're looking for like 100% like show quality. I'm just trying to clean up an old truck and make it look good again. So I'm not turning it into Barrett Jackson or anything like that. But just check this out. I want to show you the cool stuff that we've had done. All right, so you can see the seat cover. We got that nice and fitted. Turned out pretty good. I mean, it's just a saddle blanket seat cover, but I dig them. They're cheap, they're easy to replace. You just got to take some time to snug them up and make them look right. Otherwise they look like crap. So we got that nice new carpet kit in there. Turned out real nice. And then come up here, you can see we got the headliner in. Turned out really good. And that chrome shined up. I mean, and then she did the mirror too. We pulled that off. That thing was so bad. But this chrome just shined right up. Looked really good. And that new headliner, nice and shiny. So it's coming along really well. We're really happy with this progress so far. It's kind of exciting to see that transformation.